Hello YouTube, today we'll be talking about the beauty of fly fishing, which is stealth. And this was an outing. I was fishing a pond by my house, a little bit bigger pond than the one that I fished many of times. And if you're following my channel, you probably remember that, but this one is much bigger. Basically, I was fishing some down trees and stuff there, and then there was no hookup, and then I saw this interesting tailing pickerel. I didn't know that was a pickerel until I hooked up, but here's a slow motion replay. You can see the swirl in the water, and then I immediately changed my tactics. I cast out, lay down my fly, and then just changed the direction of the fly. Just trying to put the fly right in front of the fish, and here's the hookup. Well, I've been in the water, wading the water. I was standing in the water for over 30 minutes, so I became part of the water. So that's the beauty of wading. And also, with the fly rod, your presentation is much more subtle. And here's a look at the fly. That's the Lefty's Deceiver fly, which is a streamer fly, and a lot of people use them for saltwater fishing, and I found this fly is deadly for a lot of the warm water species as well. So that's another fish, and as you can see, they are very, very close to me. So this one is pretty small and feisty too. I don't know if you can see the line that floating around on top water. Those were the line I stripped. So sometimes you don't even need to cast out far with the subtle presentation of a fly, and being really, really quiet and still in the water. Sometimes fish comes to you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, please share, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.